Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious garlic quinoa. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of quinoa, 2 cups of vegetable broth, and 2 cloves of garlic minced. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of olive oil, plus a little salt and pepper to taste. Remember to rinse your quinoa well before cooking. This simple step makes a big difference in flavor. Now let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Add your minced garlic and sauté it for about 60 seconds until it smells wonderful. Next, stir in the rinsed quinoa, 2 cups of vegetable broth, and your seasonings. Bring this mixture to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Once boiling, cover your saucepan tightly and let the quinoa simmer gently for 15 minutes. It's important not to lift the lid during this time, as it traps the steam needed for perfect cooking. After 15 minutes, remove the pan from the heat but keep it covered. Let it rest for another 5 minutes. This allows the quinoa to fully absorb any remaining liquid and become fluffy. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade garlic quinoa. Remove the lid and use a fork to gently fluff the quinoa. Give it a quick taste and add any extra salt or pepper if you like. For a fresh touch, consider garnishing with some chopped fresh parsley or chives. This versatile and delicious side dish is now ready to be served and enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.